equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a screwdriver set, thermal paste, and cleaning supplies. First, power off the laptop and remove the battery. Unscrew the back panel using the appropriate screwdriver. Keep track of the screws. They can be small and easy to lose. Once the panel is off, carefully inspect the motherboard for any visible damage or burnt components. This is crucial for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, clean the internal components with compressed air. Dust can cause overheating and performance issues. If you find any damaged parts, note them down. You can request a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. If the motherboard needs replacing, disconnect all cables and remove it from the chassis. Install the new motherboard by reversing the steps. Ensure all connections are secure. Finally, reattach the back panel and screws. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. With no calls and no travel, we make repairs easy. Your HP Omen 16XF will be back in action in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.